Let's plays, walkthroughs, playthroughs. The gaming YouTubers always mess them up. Why is this video important for y'all gamers? Because I did the most research I could possibly do. If you mess up using these keywords in your videos, then your views and subscribers will be gone. If you don't want that to happen, then sit back, relax, get a bag of chips, and stay tuned. Hey yo YouTubers, welcome back to another video of YouTube success. In this channel, you get to know everything about YouTube success. My channel gives you all sorts of videos on YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, app reviews, video SEO, and basically anything you need to become a successful YouTuber. So make sure to subscribe. I have a question for you, alright? Which type of content would you make if you had a gaming channel on YouTube in 2019? Leave your answer down in the comments. Now, for the people who don't even know what these keywords mean, then stick around, watch the full video, because if someone asks a similar question like this, then you're going to be in an awkward situation. You don't want that, alright? So make sure to watch this full video. You might learn something new today. First, let's learn what each individual word means. Then we'll get to know which is the best content for your channel. Let's plays. Let's plays are meant to be a person having fun in the game and using their creativity to interest the viewers. Videos such as Let's Play Minecraft. Minecraft is a great game for Let's Plays because in Minecraft you get to build, mine, adventure, and it's solely depending on your creativity. So if you're gonna make Let's Plays, then make sure you choose Minecraft. A great YouTuber who is good at making Minecraft Let's Plays is DallasMid65. Go subscribe to him and you can learn some pretty good ways to make Let's Plays. Walkthroughs. Walkthroughs are always made for helping or guiding the viewer. Walkthroughs don't necessarily need to have commentary, but having commentary is good because it's easier to teach people about the game. A good example would be GTA Vice City 100% walkthrough, or GTA San Andreas 100% walkthrough, or GTA 5 100% walkthrough. And a great channel who is absolutely perfect at making these walkthroughs and who I love watching walkthroughs of is Enacaus. Enacaus is a great YouTuber because he makes really good walkthroughs. If you're looking for walkthroughs in the gaming niche, then check out Enacaus' channel since he is great at it. Playthroughs is basically just a person just passing or going through the game. It's not meant for entertainment because it's just you showing off how you play that game. It's not necessarily a let's play. A let's play is you entertaining your fans, but a playthrough is just you showing your fans that, look, this is how I play the game. Playthroughs are usually a short video about 10 minutes long. If you're watching this in the future, then the statistics might change, but as much as I know, the most popular playthrough I have ever seen in my life is PewDiePie's The Last of Us playthrough. Finally, we know what each of these keywords mean. Now, what do we do with these great keywords? Let's see which one gets the most views and which is best for your channel. So, in the #1 spot, the emperor of all gaming content, I bow to the emperor. Let's Plays. Well, then people have a lot of fun watching other people play games. Now, the king of all gaming content, playthroughs. Now, the prince of them all, walkthroughs. I guess very few people like to go full Albert Einstein on games and shit. Okay. Let's Plays is the emperor of all gaming content. So, if you want views and if you want more subscribers, then make, if you are a gaming channel, then go ahead. If you want a lot of views, then make Let's Plays. But does that mean you shouldn't make playthroughs? Does that mean that you shouldn't make walkthroughs? No, make playthroughs, make walkthroughs. I'm not saying that playthroughs and walkthroughs don't get views at all. They do get a lot of views. In fact, playthroughs and walkthroughs were the biggest types of content back in 2016. But apparently, because of all the new games and stuff, Let's Plays have got very famous. And warning, everything I said in this video is on the statistics in YouTube here in early 2019. So anytime, the statistics may change. But everything is depending on your choice. And you are the only person who can make the change. Peace out.